Mom, can we make chicken momos today?
Sure, dear. Let's do it together.
I will be your little chef assistant.
I have no doubt about that. Don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly.
Got it, Mom. Safety first.
Now let's gather our ingredients first. Here is what we need: minced chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and dumpling wrappers.
I will help you chop the veggies.
You are such a great helper. First, we need to mix the chicken with spices. Can you help me with that?
Of course, I am a pro spice mixer now. Can I add a little extra spice?
Sure thing, but not too much. We don't want them too spicy.
Okay, Mom, I am so excited.
Now let's saute the onions, garlic, and ginger until they are fragrant.
Can we mix everything together?
Okay, mix the chicken with chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. That is right. Add a splash of soy sauce and a drizzle of sesame oil for flavor.
Can I add a little extra soy sauce?
Sure, go ahead. Cooking is all about adding your own touch.
Mixing it all up now. It smells so good already. I think our filling is ready.
Now we will take a dumpling wrapper. Then place a spoonful of the chicken mixture in the center. And fold it in half, sealing the edges tightly. Remember to pinch the edges tightly to seal them properly.
Can I try folding the momos?
Of course, it's a bit tricky, but I know you can do it.
I will try my best. Oops, I made a funny shaped momo.
It is okay. That is the beauty of the homemade momos. Even if they are not perfect, they will still taste delicious.
Can we make extra for leftovers?
Definitely. Momos are even better the next day.
I can't wait to taste them.
Patience, my dear, good things come to those who wait. Now we will steam them for about 10 to 20 minutes until they are cooked through.
I think they are ready, Mom.
Let's open the steamer and see. Wow, they look amazing.
They smell delicious too. Can I try one now?
Absolutely. Be careful, they might be hot. But go ahead, take a bite.
So yummy. I want to eat them all.
Let's save some for your friends.
Okay, Mom, I can't wait to share them with my friends. They are going to love them. I will tell my friends about our cooking adventure.
They will be impressed with your skills. Remember, cooking is about sharing love and joy with others.
Thanks for teaching me, Mom. I think I am a master chef now. Can we make momos again?
We will see, dear. But for now, let's enjoy our tasty creation together.